So my soul power dominated and made me able to fly like birds. So it is very difficult to identify intuition and delusional thoughts of the lower self. Hello guys, welcome to the self journey. In my previous videos, I told you about some basics of spiritual journey. There is one principle that no one has told you before. So if you master that one principle, you can achieve anything in your life and you would be able to fly in the air. I'm going to tell you the story of such a spiritual person who had the power to fly in the air. Once a Sufi master was sitting among his disciples. There was a spiritual person who could fly in the air. He was passing through, so he came to them and joined the company of the Sufi master. He landed there and sat down. Sufi master didn't pay attention to him, so he was astonished. He was wondering because he could fly and people should have asked about it, but he was ignored. So he asked himself, "You didn't see that I could fly?" Sufi master said, "That's not a big achievement, but I would like to ask how you got this power." He said, "I do against my wishes. If I feel the need to drink cold water, I drink hot water. If myself asks me to eat some tasty food, I eat something with bad taste or no taste. So I totally do the opposite of my desire. So my soul power dominated and made me able to fly like birds." Before continuing this story, I want to explain this concept because this concept is very necessary to understand. In today's world, people just know about intuitive powers, but they don't know what it actually is and how to identify the true intuitions and delusions. They just say, "I'll follow my heart, I'll follow my intuition, I'll do what I feel good, etc." That's the biggest mistake they are doing. Actually, our lower self has its roots inside our heart, and our heart is also our doorway to soul. So it is very difficult to identify intuition and delusional thoughts of the lower self. But most of the time intuitions are less and the lower self is in excess. So if anyone starts diminishing these thoughts and starts practicing coping with it, it makes the soul powerful because its enemy, the lower self or the ego or the nafs, becomes weaker. If you have watched my previous videos, you already know about nafs. If you are new to my channel, you can watch them after this video. Links would be given in the description. Okay, now back to the story. Sufi master said, "Oh, so you do against your wishes or desires, but you put a lot of effort, but you only become able to beat the birds. If you can fly, sparrows and crows can also fly. So what's the difference and what's the achievement?" Then he replied to Sufi master, "You are just making things. You know it's a great power. If you own that, please show me." Sufi master said, "Let me test your habit. You say you do the opposite to what your inner voice says." He said yes. Then Sufi master said, "Answer my question and then I'll test your habit." He agreed. Then Sufi master asked, "What is the key to skies?" He was quiet. Sufi master said, "I think you know the answer, but your ego is stopping you to reply. So it's time to test you. You know the answer is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So say those words and become Muslim." He thought for a while and became Muslim because his egoic self asked him not to do so. While he had a habit of opposing negative thoughts, so he did the totally opposite. Guys, this is very important to know. If anyone starts spiritual journey and difficult practices, but his soul can only move around this physical world, and this world is known as Alme Nasut in Sufism. This physical world is known as destroyable world or mortal world. But if a Sufi practices what his master says, his soul can fly to other unknown worlds and can reach to that stage where nothing can exist except a soul, and such a person can even observe paradise and hell. And the most beautiful thing is you don't need to do difficult practices like previously mentioned people or some other people. Everything is achieved through the love of Sufi master, and a person achieves everything with the help of a beautiful soul of his master. If you have any question, you can comment below. If you like my content, please support me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create such knowledgeable content for you. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.